Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully everyone is having a wonderful day. And I'm here at Walmart at the bike section, and I saw this here and I started scanning the helmets, and I'm still finding $5 helmets here. Like this one right here is $5. It says here it's for ages 5 and up. And this one too, $5. Frozen too, also ages 5 and up. If you're interested, just scan the barcode with your Walmart app. And that one was for the Frozen, and I'll give you the one for this one. And also I scanned this one right here. It's a protective gear. It comes with the knee pads, elbow pads, and a bell. This is for ages 5 and up. The knee pads are also ringing off for $5. Walmart.com, they have it for $19.29. Here, where's all the air pumps for the bikes. And I scanned this one right here. The brand is Bell, and it's a foot pump with gauge. Looks like that. That's the barcode. When I scanned it, it was ringing up for $3.50. On Walmart.com, they have it for $14.38. Here at the baby section, and I saw this here. It's a lot of teethers. And I saw this right here marked at $2.50, and I decided to scan everything. And everything here was scanning $2.50 except for this one here. Let me give you this barcode here. If you're interested, just scan it with your Walmart app, and hopefully it's a better deal at your stores. All of these was $4.97. Now they have a mark at $2.50. Let me give you a pink one. And I'll give you this one here. Looks like that. And that one is ringing up for $2.50. They also have this one here. And that one is ringing up for $2.50. Also, this one is ringing up for $2.50. This alligator too, it's ringing up for $2.50. Silicone teether is also ringing up for $2.50. They also have this one, a blue dinosaur. So yeah, just look for those at your Walmart, and hopefully it's a better deal. And here, where's all the mini fridge? And I scanned this one right here. It looks like that. Says here it can hold 6 to 12 ounce cans easily. You could use it for anything. This is how the back looks. And that one is ringing up for $7. Walmart.com, they have it for $36.68. The only reason I scanned this one because it looks so different from the other ones. So you see something like that, just scan it, and maybe it might be on clearance. Okay, I'm here where's the little girl section, and I scanned the JoJo bows because I saw this one is St. Patrick's bows. It looks like that. That's the barcode. And they also have this one here. You can see they have it marked at $6.97. Looks like that. So yeah, they only have these two St. Patrick's bows, and these are ringing up 50 cents each. And I also scanned this one here. It's a unicorn. That's the barcode. That one is ringing up for $2. If you guys are interested, just look for that at your stores. Okay, I saw this section here. They already have it marked, and it's these cozy Muck-Lux socks. They're women's boot socks. Looks like that. If you're interested, just scan the barcode and hopefully it's available at your stores. These are ringing up for $1, was $3.97. Let me give you this one here. And these purple ones here. They have these brown ones. They're really soft. Have this beige color. So yeah, just look for those at your Walmart and hopefully they have it available. I have this clearance sign here. It says $9, but when I scanned it, it was bringing up for $7 for the sweater and the pants. And this is sleepwear section. And give you a barcode here. They also have this gray one here. And also this leopard print. Bringing up for $7. They also have this one. I'll make me barcodes for that. This is for the leopard print. And for this one too. And those are also ringing up for $7. I found this little section here of clearance items. If you guys are interested in any of the items I show, just scan it with your Walmart app. Like this one, they have it marked at $1.87. I did scan it. It is bringing up for $1.87. Was $4.92. They also have this for $4. It's for babies, oral pain relief. Also have this Ace ankle support. These are finger paint soaps for $1. They have the blue one here. This one here. It says was $7.97. Now they have it for $5.65. Well, lots to show here, but just check your Walmart and hopefully they have a small clearance section like this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deals. Bye.